The first FDA-approved booster shots are now going into arms, but the CD says it will only be Pfizer and Moderna for now. Jonathan Seri has more from Atlanta.
Good job.
Americans are rolling up their sleeves for the first FDA-approved COVID vaccine boosters. An organ transplant recipient at Johns Hopkins Medicine getting the first shot after the FDA cleared Pfizer and Moderna vaccines for a third dose for those with cancer, organ transplants, or other conditions that weaken their immune systems. And on Friday, the CDC weighed in, saying the new authorization will not include Johnson & Johnson's vaccine because of a lack of sufficient data.
Let's just hope that we get good results, because other people are going to need antibodies in their systems too.
The authorization comes as the new COVID surge is accelerating quickly. We're now averaging more than 114,000 cases every day in the U.S., up 18% from last week. The CDC now warning community transmission is increasing significantly in areas with low vaccination rates, and it's hitting children the hardest.
We know that most of the infections that is coming into schools is coming from high rates of disease in the community.
But there are at least 7 states restricting mask mandates in schools, including Florida, which accounts for nearly 1 out of every 5 new infections in the U.S. Governor Ron DeSantis sticking to his guns, refusing any new mitigation efforts.
We were promised that they would end the pandemic, lockdowns, school closures, mandates, and it just hasn't done that.
The number of new vaccinations is also ticking up slightly. The U.S. is now averaging more than 500,000 doses every day, the highest number since June.